Hello! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to check amount of the steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the widgets, and one of the widgets will be the step widget, and here we have the amount of steps taken and also the progression of our goal. If you tap on this step widget, you can also open more detailed information, basically today up. And here we have, as you can see, the distance, the elevation, calories burned and stuff like that. Okay, you can also check this information in the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move our phone right here, like that, and then on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Fitbit app, and in the app you will see data right here, and we have these steps. We can tap on it, and we have the detailed information about our step goals. And we have day, weekly progression, monthly progression, and also yearly progression. And you can check all of the data right here. And once you're done, of course, you can close the app. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.